Hey guys, my name is Ash and welcome back to another video. Now if you're any type of creative, you will know the importance of great lighting, especially great creative lighting. So in today's video I have something really cool to check out, and that is the portable zoom light from Photoolex. Now it's a flashlight that features a built-in battery and a set of 20 plastic gobos to help you get those unique and creative looks. So let's open this up and see what we have here. The Photoolex ZoomLight comes in this high quality storage case. We get a silicone diffuser, the collapsible silicone gobo holder, a set of 20 assorted shapes, the zoom light comes with a built-in 8400 mAh battery which can be charged via Type-C cable. The zoom light is made from aviation grade aluminium alloy, so this little light is sturdy, durable and also rust proof. We also get 3/4 inch mounting points, so you can mount this almost anywhere. The zoom light has an adjustable beam. We get 4 color modes being orange yellow, warm white, ice blue and glam red. And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.